How many light bulbs need to be changed to illuminate the future? Outdated incandescent and fluorescent bulbs use significantly more energy when compared to modern, energy-efficient alternatives. Now, schools in Kenya are tackling this problem by upgrading to high-performance LEDs, saving about 25% in electricity costs.
This is the place where I've been given the opportunity to shape my future. This is the place where I've been given the opportunity to become whoever I want to become. Light becomes a limiting factor.
This is Menengai High School. Like in many of Kenya's 3,000 secondary boarding schools, students here study under outdated and inefficient lights.
The school was started in the 1940s and the infrastructure had become so dilapidated, and we spent quite a hefty amount to pay for electricity. Sometimes we do limit the lighting. We say, no, don't put on the lights until such and such a time. At times we keep going round, telling them, put off these lights, put off these lights.
Even when lighting is not rationed, the quality is often poor, negatively impacting students' learning and their health.
Having gone through the Kenyan school system in a Kenyan classroom, the issue is our class had a lot of flickering because we were using the conventional lighting systems. Most of us used to have headaches and eye challenges.
Worldwide, electricity for lighting accounts for about 5% of carbon emissions. A global transition to efficient lighting could reduce these emissions by over 1/3. Now, 100 Kenyan secondary boarding schools are upgrading to high-performance LED lighting solutions, thanks to a new pilot program by the Kenyan government and UNEP. With support from Signify Foundation and Sustainable Energy for All.
Each school, if we replace these units with energy-efficient lighting, we can save up to 50,000 tons of CO2 emissions per year.
Through this program, schools like Menengai are reducing energy consumption while improving learning outcomes.
By converting or changing from conventional lighting systems to LEDs, organizations and schools and institutions are able to save up to 75% of their energy costs.
The LED system will increase the amount of time that the students have for studying.
More time for revision, more time for group studies, more time for peer teaching, more time for all other activities that boost academic performance.
Phasing out inefficient lighting is one of the cheapest and most effective ways to combat climate change. It holds huge potential in Kenya to build a sustainable future for generations to come. Beyond the classroom, the initiative is training local technicians in LED technologies, creating business opportunities in the energy-efficient lighting sector.
Energy efficiency is one of the key pillars for the implementation of the Paris Agreement. If proper energy efficiency policies are put in place and its implementation is done, then we can actually reach about 40% of emissions reductions as expected in the Paris Agreement.
This project is more than a lighting upgrade. It's a model for how government leadership, international partnerships, and the business community can come together to tackle climate change. And with their new lights, Menengai High School will be switched on to a bright and energy-efficient future. Every fraction of a degree matters.